Distributing the items proper. The State Program Coordinator, IFAD Value Chain Development Program, Mr. Nnamdi Agwuncha said, within January and February this year, they have trained 150 selected youth farmers, out of which 20 were carefully selected from each council area. Mr. Agwuncha, who asked them to form cooperative societies in their various council areas to be giving services to farmers to meet their pest control needs, noted that farmers are by this arrangement discouraged to go into pesticide control by themselves for safety reasons, while announcing that the empowerment is on matching grant basis, where the beneficiary will pay 30% of the cost and IFAD will offset 70%. Mr. Agwuncha described it as the first of its kind in the history of VCDP states and highly recommended by the VCDP National Office.
To encourage them, take safe measures while using agrochemicals. They should use a knapsack and get well kitted. We've seen cases, we've seen casualties where people use this wrongly and they're paying for it. And also to create jobs for them. They can render services to farmers in the communities, both in their farms and in their house, even in markets and other public places, to bring down pest load that cause diseases.
The State Agri-Production Officer, IFAD VCDP, Mr. Emmanuel Chukwukwelu, made it clear that as a result of the toxic nature of pesticide and environmental pollution, the youths were trained on the effective and economic safe handling of pesticides.
My charge is that they will now go and serve our farmers the way, because we have already doing our trainings with all farmers, discourage them, because some of them are not well equipped, and because of the hazardous nature of these agri-chemicals, we train this special spraying squad so that they will now serve the farmers at a token payment. We discovered that it will also be serving them will help the farmers a lot because it is more economical.
Some of the beneficiaries, including Pastor Benjamin Onyebuchi from Mbwaku, Oka North Local Government Area, and Mr. Chukwuemeka Nneli from Umueri, Anambra East Council Area, while expressing their profound joy over the empowerment, are sure to make a living from it and also train more youths.
The benefit in it, number one, this is a money-making venture, something that I will use to make money, because farming is business. I will spread for farmers, and I earn a living, and I get money and profit from it. And that's why the IFAD value chain are equipping us. This thing, before it will get spoiled, I might have made money from it, and even have money to buy the bigger machine.
It's a sprayer machine. They will use it to do work.
For which people?
For the farmers.
The empowerment program climaxed with individual practical full kitting and collection of the items. These are the 100 modern spraying kits for 100 youth farmers in the 5 participating council areas of Value Chain Development Program in Anambra State. From the Agricultural Development Program Office in Oka, I am Ebele Eze, reporting for ABS News.